Hi there guys, this is VitorF7 and I'm doing a video on how to install Magento with Snow Leopard. Now you guys may know that Snow Leopard and Magento have a few compatibility problems. Reason for that is because Magento is using 5.2 PHP whereas Snow Leopard uses 5.3. Now I did find a way of how to do it, so if you go to your Magento website and download the latest Magento full release and the sample data as well. I've already done that and it's here on my desktop. Now you need to download MAMP Pro as your software to create a server side. The reason for that is because this one lets you create loads of virtual hosts. Now MAMP Pro, it is a paid service, but if you have KC and Screw, it will let you have a serial number for that and let you use it. So you do that. Also, when you open it, go to Start, create a database called Magento. Once you create the database, go to Import and go to Browse. Go to your desktop where you've already unzipped the sample data for the Magento. You'll have a SQL in there. Just open it and go. It will then create all of these tables. Don't completely close it. Now what you have to do, you need to go to your go to your MAMP folder, htdocs, and this folder here that says Magento, which is the whole Magento folder with everything you need to do. I'm going to actually name it and put it test. Put it in there. Open up again the sample database, the sample folder, I'm sorry. There's a media folder there. You just copy into there, into the test folder, say replace, close it, and now what we're going to do is we're going to create a new host for that. So click there, and www.test.com, and we're going to specify where is it. So right in the htdocs, double click on test and choose it. Click on apply, save the changes. You might have sometimes to put your administration password. Now it didn't ask me. Open up your favorite web browser and go to your www.test.com. It's going to take you now to the installation wizard. Now just click on continue, agree with the terms, continue. Sorry guys. It will actually ask you to choose your local. I'm just going to leave it as that, but you do it for whatever you have to do. The database host is localhost, database name is Magento. If you put another name, make sure it's that name. The username for the database is root, and the password is root as well. Now, that's your base URL, which is www.test.com. That is what you put in front of the / to access your administration area. Now, once you click continue, it's going to take you to a place for you to put your first last name. So I'm going to put Vitor, and there I'm going to put F7, and just going to put test@hotmail.com. Username, just going to put VitorF7, and the password VitorF7 tests, VitorF7 tests. Click on continue. It'll take you to the last page. It will give you an encryption key. Please save this key if you're doing a proper Magento store to do a business, because this is what it says there. Magento uses it to encrypt passwords for credit cards or more. What you have to do now is www.test.com. Now if you go there, it will give you, probably will give you an error. There you go. The reason for that is because you have to go again to your database, and once you go to your database, scroll all the way down over here, click on check all, and then say repair table. And once you repair the tables and you reload the page, what happens is that it should now be www.test.com. It should give you now the proper Magento store. So there you have it. It's working. Now, what you're gonna do is if you add the word admin to the front, it'll take you to the admin panel. So Vitor F7, and then we put Vitor F7 test, or whatever your password is. This is just for the testing, and it takes you to your backend, which you can manage your pages that you have. You can manage your customers, your catalog, you can manage all the products that it has. So this is your backend, where right here, www.test.com, this is your proper fully working Magento with Snow Leopard, and that way you don't have to recompile your PHP, you don't have to create a virtual machine, you don't have to do anything that those guys said on Magento community site. All you need is MAMP Pro. MAMP Pro lets you create hosts, and then this kind of, in a way, the way we did it, it kind of tricks the Magento to think that because you're using this host, it kind of tricks to think that you have PHP 5.2 rather than PHP 5.3, which is the one that the Snow Leopard has. So I hope you liked it, and good luck. Enjoy creating Magento stores, and enjoy doing all of your web developing. This is me from Vitor F7, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.